Hi to all of you. Hopefully you guys are doing fine. Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to explain about step index. A lot of people where daily basis try to trade step index but they fail. Why? Because they don't have good strategy which they help to identify the trend and also build the swing trades. Even they don't know the basic of price action, that's why they make losses. In this video I'm going to explain how actually you guys can make daily basis good income from step index trading only. You just need to follow the strategy and set up it as we guide. And this strategy will help you to achieve daily basis good results. How to do it? Simply, there are few steps to follow. Let's get started to set up the strategy, how actually we set up and how we make profit using this strategy. So let's get started. Click on this icon, go to the indicator section, click on moving averages. The first moving average we need is 24. Applied will be exponential, wedge close HLCC4. Click on save and go to add second moving average. This one will be 60 for a period. Method will be exponential applied to close. Choose any color you like, there is no any recommended. Click on save and your strategy will be saved. That's all we need, only these two indicators, moving average based. After setup, go back to the chart. Here you guys can see switch to minute 5 time frame to good. When the market is in sideways like right now is this. When the market is sideways in a range, don't trade. Always wait for a good trend, buy or sell trend. Let's suppose this is a buy trend from long. It started from this point. After the crossover moving averages, the market started going upwards, so it means this is a buy trend which is started right now. And market is going upward. How to trade when the market is already going in buy and you are late? Then the simple thing, if market is going in buy and you are late arrived, then simply there are a few steps to follow them. Each time market come reverse, I mean to say market created a high and then it come back to this moving average, the lower one. When it touched to this lower one moving average, now it's time to open your buy. Once you open your buy, put your stop loss at downside at there and set your stop loss and wait for the market movement. And after your buy is went in profit, lock the profit and move forward. Once again, after you close this trade, now what to do again? To take the trade again, here you guys can see market come back to the below moving average. Once it touched here, simply move your stop loss here at the previous low. And now open again the buy position. And here is your buy, again went in profit. Once you close your buy at this point, market again went into the sell and at this point you opened a new buy. This time you have to shift your SL at this point, low point, previous low point. Now again buy and your buy is went again in profit. And once again market come back to the sell and touch this previous moving average. Go for another buy and move your stop loss here and here is your buy. The same thing is for sell. When you find a sell trend, market go touch to the above moving average, move your stop loss to back high area and start selling and your sell will be in profit. When it back come to this area, then again go and sell like this. It come again here, you sold and your sell is in profit. Each time you book some profit, make sure you set a trailing stop. This is the strategy for step index. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you have any question, type in comment section. We will help you to understand in next video.